Initiating raid process.
Now which kind life way I never see. I carry God so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commas. Original no be part of me. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we was come back. I just don't travel now. Living life in my fire.
Work. Da. Work.
Someone on my ear. Oh, welcome to my vlog. I hope you find peace and comfort in my space. Oh, guys, it's been a minute ever since I've vlogged for YouTube, and we've reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hey guys, ngiyanibonga naze naloyal kumina. Uyazi ukuthi ngihlale almost the whole 2025 ngingena phone because I lost my phone last year around October. But nina guys nastika nami naze nangenzela iqiniso instead of losing subbies. Ngaloka khuphuka. Ay, naze nangithanda we guys. Ngimenyiwe izolo ngena i-email ngothuka nje kwathiwa nje hayi asambe ntokwazise ku-event content creation just because your channel has been monetized. So sengi-ena imali. Alright guys, even though ngakayitholi ngakafiki kumina, but whatever that I'm going to post, definitely sure if I avoid being copyrighted and I do my thing and being consistent, I'm definitely gonna get something. Wait guys, do you remember I promised you guys a vlog and it was almost 2 hours. You lose yonke leyo content. Uyayazi pain yokulose content when i-content yenyanga yonke. Yo, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, but I think bekumele vele kwenzeka. Yazi ukuthi ezinye izinto when ziyenzeka asifuna uku-understand, but it was bound to happen. Hey, it was bound to happen because bekuvela abanye abantu abangangiphathanga kahle. Mina guys, 2025 wasn't kind to me, and I'm glad ukuthi sesemaphethelweni, it's almost there. I just want uqala nje impilo yami without abantu abangibetrayile, without abantu abangizwisa ubuhlungu. Hey, ngoba ayichashem bangenze kabi. Yo lo nyaka bangenze kabi, but angisenandaba. But God restores, and I believe ukuthi each and everything leyenzakale kimi, it was meant to happen to me. Ukuthi vele ngibe right, ngibe ready for the great things that are coming on my way. Okay? My skin is getting better, even though it's still hyperpigmented to other areas. Njengalana, yabona, I still have my black spots. Okay. I'm using these products. Ngicane ngisupporta phela ngiyadayisa. Okay? Ngiyanazi nizongisupport and ngizonidayisela nonke abahlala eNatal, abahlala kuphi, Eastern Cape, wherever. If you're going to see this vlog, ngicela u-order zi-right ke lezi zinto futhi ziyathengeka yazi. Okay, I'm trying to open this. These are the things that I'm using. My favorite product is their tissue oil. Iclinica guys. This tissue oil iyangenzela iqiniso, angifuni ukungasho iyangenzela noma ngingahlala lokho kunye ngingenakho. But when I have this, I love it for myself. Then hand lotion. This one, it's a body lotion, but I'm gonna use it as a hand lotion as well because I still have a body lotion. Oh, the flavor is pomegranate. Inwamnandi. Okay, this is the lotion and it lasts. That's what it lasts. Tissue oil ke isheshe yaphela ngoba but mama bayibekile phansi. Hayi abayibekile, but ngizoba order abo2. Ngizoba order because this is the body wash. Guys, anuka kamnandi. Yo, there are other flavors like evil, orange, a lot, coconut. But for me now, Yasmina, I'm a typical girl. I don't lay salt. Akusiwo pink what lezi washela iy'thelayo lizeqe ngifuna ukuthi abafana bendishade ngiyadlala. Okay, this is salt. Nazo zikwenza ukuthi ufeel rejuvenated. So yini konje bengifuna ukisho, I wanted to say they last long, and I'm a very typical girl. Mina angichange. Yabona njengoba ngithatha pomegranate, come to me after 10 years, I'll still be using the same flavor because I ngesaba. When I say ngithanda, that's why even though when I do my nails, I'll always go for French. I'm that kind of a girl. Okay guys, it's ngivuke ngicleane ngigeze. Mhlambe ngangenelwa imali ngazi ngihambe ngiyothola something to wear. Ngibe muhle nami bantwini, and I need to beat my face, man. Ngibe muhle laphana babe besibuza ukuthi hi, Mangcobo, tell us about yourself. Why do you want us to collaborate with you? I need to be ready to answer those kinds of questions. I need to be ready to answer those kind of questions. Okay. It's in bonjalo. I've lost so much weight. Funny enough, guys, Yasmina ne vela ngimkhulu ngangenhla. That's why bathi nginobuso babantwana but nginomzimba wabantu abadala. And young offender leonto, but it's okay. I've lost so much weight, and about myself, a maca powder, but it helps. But banana ngotand, but it helps if we add banana maca powder, peanut butter, milk, and what's this? You know green conch. And ngisawudle for iviki. Hey, ngiyawabona mathanga ayeza. And I haven't been consistent to go to the gym, and that's why. Anyways, guys, well, guys, these are the things that I bought. The maca powder, imbi, kodwa iyasiza. Okay, ngiyawubona umehluko already. Then I bought this Future Life, but it supports immune system, bone support, reduce fatigue, and mina vele nginayo fatigue, and fatigue nginayo ke manje. So far zingiphatha kahle ukuthi nje imbi maca powder, but I try by all means to add ubisi oluningi and put peanut butter, then get maca powder. Yona ayizwakali, but uyayizwa ukuthi there's something off. Yabona enhlulile ile yokuthi you have to mix it with water then you drink it. I can't. Leyo vele yangenza ukuthi ngifeel ngathi I'm gonna throw up. So rather let me make a shake. Gubalula kanjalo and kuyadleka. So ngiyanplaga, if you want to gain weight, go purchase this Kotlix or Kotiscam. It's around about 200 rands. But ayashiyana. But ikhona i-black. I want to try i-black maca. Oh, sizoze sibhome. Mina ikinto engingayizami makuthiwa khona ini ngiyayizama. But this one it works. Iwari yami ukuthi angifuni ukuba nezingalo ezinkulu nomkhaba, and umkhaba ngiyawubona ukuthi nanku uyankotsomela, guys. Oh, angazi ngizoyenza kanjani. Oh, but there's a juice that you can drink. It's bio something. Iningi mole ko TikTok, guys. So I need to try that one. I'm gonna let you know. We'll see how it goes. If it's working, go purchase. Njengamanje, this one it's working. If you want a big nyash and big matangas, go for this one. And Nina, guys, there's what it's not gonna work for you because of jeans. Tina sinama jeans azivumelayo vele. I'm just boosting my jeans because vele khaya sinazo sinayifika, sinayo clear skin. Iguthi mina njenganayo clear skin. But most of the things they just boost your genetical whatever. But you can try it. Mangaba kukusebenzele, it's just because of udalewe nje kanjalo ama jeans akini. Ka-anti wakho noma kagogo wakho sasa. Well, guys, this is how the weather looks like. Bonakala ngathi izona late and it's hot. So mina ngibheke outfit wisely. I'm doing my makeup now. The season has already changed and I'm light now, so I'll be using this foundation. Hey, because I was using the other one. Let me show you the one that I was using. This is the one I was using, but it is super dark now. It makes me look so dark. So that's why I prefer you to use the Fit Me Maybelline one. Okay, I think I'll do my makeup off cam. I'm trying to save for storage and I want to charge this phone. I want to show you the final face bit. But for now, let me just turn off this cam. Guys, I'm done with my face bit. The only thing that is left is my lipstick, then I do my hair. I'm not sure if I should keep these curls or I should kill them. So decide on manje and it's cut a song from it because I still need to go to the mall for an outfit. And I need to be there before 3 o'clock. I'm sorry for the outfit. I don't know what's going to happen. And imvula nayo angisazi mina because kunento bengiyibonile Saturday, but ngoba imvula seyenza, so I don't know what to do. Honestly, I like to do izinto ngama last minute and hey, angazi ngizongenaphi, but I need something. No, Standard Bank. Oh my God. Guys, this is how I look. Because I don't have this currency. This is how I look. Okay. I think I like it, but I need to change the top because it's bigger. The top is bigger, but this is how I look. Yeah, no, guys. Guys, I'm so pissed because what do you mean? La engibhake khona is decided ukuthi imoto yemali vele imemva kwami. Yo, what the f***?
Come here, wait till the body. Green body make I roll, come here. I know you seen your me. I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you big kiss than the knee. You better drop your body and more. So feel with this body, make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know need, they get to so move where you know. Please, come make a try, come make a try, this on the low. Please, baby, allow me, if you want me, allow me. See body, oh, see body, oh, egg body, oh. If they post in my boy, low, if they post in my boy, please help me, oh. Pass your papa. If you want way I don't feel too for you. Why you want to do that? Show you the keys that let's go.
Let me show you. still waiting. Everything is still setting up. The weather is not weathering, but I love it because the pictures are coming so nice. So we are here. Thanks for the invite.
See body, oh. See body, oh. Ebami, oh. Ide kosi mabololo.
Okay, I don't know what's happening with my makeup, but I think it's smudging. Hey guys, look who's here. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Oh, Mfishane. Oh, Sebuhle.
Alright, hey guys, so I think the mic's batteries are dead, but seeing your guys' content was really cool. So I'm Tataran Beatty, I create content. I've been doing, you can't hear me. I'm Tataran Beatty. Alright, so my name is Tataran Beatty, guys. I create content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I've been doing it since like 2017. We've grown a couple of channels. We've grown my channel to like 200k subscribers. We've grown as Majita to like 100k subscribers. Worked and mentored like with many creatives, helping them monetize, how to create content, how to get brand deals, and how to make really good content. And we specialize in podcasting. I've got a studio in Midrand, and I'm just really obsessed with like helping creatives like make content. That's like my number one thing, right?
Yeah.
I feel like people keep gatekeeping how to make money, and we're unlocking those gates and we're showing everybody.
Let us unlock. Yes!
A really good storyline, like she was saying, like a nice momentum and a nice close. And at the same time, this was a brand deal. So it's not just about you coming and showing, like showcasing like you, what you're doing. It's about selling the organization, the way that you create content. We're meant to do it in no order. I'm gonna do it in order because there was an order. In 5th place, it was Noctula. Yeah, so what you guys get, this is like a...
Wow!
There's also a whole bunch of YouTube branded merch. It's all inside here. We're doing really good.
Dylan, where are you?
I just want to let you guys know what Dylan's concept was. It was so unique. He said, I'm gonna bring the call guard into this. He mic'd him up and he said, you're a paid actor today, my guy.
And then second place and first place for me was really, really difficult. It was really, really tricky. I think both creators did like insanely well. Like if I had an agency, as an agency owner, I'd definitely hire them to do work with Tiger Smoke. I think Tiger Smoke should also consider working with them. In second place, it was Crystal.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready. To give you all my love.
chill and have a nice time.
Chill.
Yeah. Chill. Okay, cool. Thank you guys so much and thank you.
Oh, it's in that side. Guys, we're going home. It was nice to be here. Good morning, Sabis. And if you are here for the first time, you are welcome, my love. Ikaya Lotando Lily. Oh, guys, yesterday was epic. Yesterday was so amazing. Guys, do you know the feeling of finding yourself with big content creators, big influencers? You are in the same room, breathing the same air, asking advice. Asking the advice of how you edit your stuff. Guys, it was so nice. You know, I was so lazy to create content lately, but going to that event yesterday, it just motivated. Going to that event, inside me, I was just reminded of why I chose to be a content creator, why I loved the cam, doing content, going around shooting everything. So yesterday it was so nice, guys, and I'm glad for the ladies that I met. My mood is so, I don't know, it's over the moon. I woke up to my best possible timeline. I'm grateful to be alive, you know. Event, and guys, my phone went off. We were challenged to create content for 15 minutes, and you had to capture content, edit, and submit. Imagine, spaces. My phone went off. You know why? Because I didn't charge fully my phone. It wasn't fully charged. So, and I was vlogging. I think it was 50-something%. I was vlogging throughout. Imagine getting 16% already. Then, basically challenge, I was like, my God, how am I going to do this? Because I really want to give my best shot. Then the amazing, amazing lady, her name is Niza, I think. Baby girl, do not worry, na power bank. Oh, the energy that I got there. You know, man, how it's like when there are a lot of women in the same space. They're going to give each other mean vibes. But yesterday, it wasn't not about that. Everyone was so kind. Everyone was so gentle. Everyone was so supportive. This is what you can do. You know, a lot of things. And I love such women. I love women who are going to stand behind me and support me, because girl, what do you mean? What do you mean this bread is for you alone? No, the bread, it's enough for all of us now. So she borrowed me her power bank. I ended up coming back home with it. So manje kumele ngimfonele ngi-arrange naye so that I can take it back. But babes, I thank you so much. To Niza, I think she's a YouTuber. I have to check her out. Then subscribe to her channel. Nani, guys, please subscribe. Ngihamba manje ngemall. Saying angagiz. Okay, angagiz cishe ngiqamba manje. Ngihamba manje ngemall. I ran off women's pack, so I need that. Okay, see you at the mall.
Next customer, please. Taylor 1.
Guys, I'm breakfast because I needed to rush and things that I need dinner. The way I am so thirsty lately, I decided to eat my favorite. At least is on Pushanyan. I'm so exhausted. Guys, I'm busy creating scrapbooks. Please support me. I'm gonna show you when I'm done with the first order. I'm gonna post a video of how it looks like, and please support me. I'm gonna put the prices as well. I'm here looking for women's pack. So sizocinga yona. Naila. Hi Sisi. Cela uzosinceda umama ngapha.
Oh, late.
Yep, boyfriend in. Oh, now fear of missing out.
Mantombazane, phuthumani. Ngitholeni 150. Zebu, it's 20% off. Plaka with my ekichiman and ayihlali. Angithi niyazi. I got mine. Sisengiyokhoka ngendlini. Ukube benginganayo 1 rand bengeke ngiyithole vele. Ngithi ukube benginganayo 1 rand. Oh. Oh my god. Guys, I've been trying to request phone iPhone. I know what's happening with my network, and I'm really not in the mood to go to the Texas. Ingoba bengise trade with mall, and to go to the Texas, I ngizohlangana nabantu ekudala abangigcina belokhu bathi sifundo njani, abanye bathi hawu wena siyaqala ukubona eTexini zif ngiyagibela nami itaxi ukuthi nje angijwayele kodwa ngiyagibela. Sengiyakhona because I've tried to request. Hayi ayisebenzi. Nina wamanzi. Ngicela amanzi, plain water. Abandayo mfethu.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa mfethu. Ugrand.
Ngiyaphila. Oh yeah, yabanda. Yo, nice.
Yeah.
Malini? 8 rand. Wayedura kanjena nawo wakho?
Angithi yabanda.
Oh. Okay, sikhiphela imali yakho ke.
Abanda ngeke 2 rand yakho.
Okay. Wema istress ebenginaso la sengintsheliza amanzi ngenxa yeteksi engiyibukayo engizoyigibela. He mama, akukho engabe ngisakwenza abandla. Ngasho ngagibela. Ngithe nje ngisangena yashoda buka ingubo yami. Guys, when you unbox the women's pack, this is what you get: the multivitamin, which is responsible for women's health, including energy and immunity and bone strength. Then the collagen, you know, when you're talking about collagen, you're talking about skin, nails, hair, joint, bones. I think this one is going to be my favorite. Then it's probiotic. It's also good for your moods, your digestion, and immune system. So yeah, get yourself these. Okay, each thing, it consists of 30 capsules, so which means I'm gonna take 30 capsules a day. Okay, this is how it looks like. Like again, give a fit, please go purchase. The probiotics looks like this. Not too much difference between the collagen and the probiotics. So they basically, there's a slightly difference between the collagen peptides and the ones that I showed you earlier on.
Guys, welcome to the end of the vlog. It was amazing. Please subscribe, comment, like, and do not skip the ads.